Good morning, dreamers. You're just in time for my trash to treasure video. I'm going to upcycle this paper towel holder and change it into a festive Christmas paper towel holder with icing and make it look like it's candy. Now here I am going in with the Crimson Waverly chalk paint, and I'm going to speed this up. I'm just going to paint it with the first coat. I'm going to put 2 coats on this to make sure we can't see this purple. And don't forget to paint the bottom, dreamers. And here we are going in with the second coat. Dreamers, my apologies for not showing you this paint that I'm using, but this is the puff fabric paint from Dollar Tree. And I'm just making little dots and connecting them together. And, as it feels better to you, you can, drag it or make your own design. But to start off, you could just make little dots, and that'll help you to guide this because the tip is very small, so it's easy. And let's get all of these little grooves on the side. So I'm just doing now this one I'm really doing some little dots, but I'm keeping them, away from each other just to make it look better. And if it's not right, or if you mess up or anything, get a wet paper towel and wipe it off. Or just wipe it off with a paper towel first, and then wipe it off with a wet paper towel and start all over. We're crafting and relaxing, dreamers. Nothing is bothering us right now. We're in our happy place, and we're crafting, and we're dreaming, and we're coming up with ideas. That's going to help us, guess what? Get to that bag. Now, this paint was $1.25 at Dollar Tree. And so far, I'm going to be up to probably $3 spent on this paper towel holder, including the ornament. Dreamers, I love to upcycle and redo things and change them from trash to treasure. It is so fun. This is one of my favorite things to do. All right, here I am putting some embellishments, some little candy canes on the paper towel holder, just as sprinkles. Please don't talk about me. I didn't get my tool. I didn't feel like going all the way down in the basement and grabbing it. So I did it with my finger. Don't do this. This is not good. But if you have to, do what you got to do. And here it is with the embellishments. So cute. So I'm getting ready to try some of this gel Gorilla Glue. This is my first time using this. So I didn't include this on the price because I'm only going to use a little bit. And then in the little spots that I didn't put the glue, I'm going to put some hot glue to hold this ornament on. It's a $1.25 ornament, a gingerbread ornament that I purchased from Family Dollar. And before I forget, dreamers, the Gorilla Glue is a part of my stash. Remove the string, and I'm just going to put it on the paper towel holder right there and press hard. So this is the part, that holds the paper towel down, and it's going to be so cute on there. This is so creative. Carson, you're good. Live your dreams, girl, with your bad self. If don't nobody else encourage me, I'm going to encourage myself. That's what we have to do. Encourage yourself, dreamers. You can do it. Alrighty, so here is the way it turned out. It's too cute. Live your dreams, dreamers. We're at the end. Like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Live your dreams.